morning, students. I hope you all are keeping fine and completing your class. We have already completed our unit 1. In that we had a lesson who did Patrick's homework, and in the same unit we had a poem, a house, a home. We learned the difference between a house and a home. Today we are learning about a new lesson, how the dog found himself a new master. How the dog found himself a new master. So it is a story of a dog who wanted a master for himself, who will take care of him, who will give food him time to time. So let's see in the lesson how a dog step by step founds a master who is stronger than anybody. So just I'll tell you in a few seconds that a dog, one day a thought came in his mind that he should have a master who will give him food. So he went on walking, and while he was walking he met a wolves. He met a wolf, and he thought a wolf is stronger than anybody else. He can protect me. He is not afraid of anybody. So he thought to have a wolf as his master. Then they walked further. On the way they met a bear. Seeing the huge and bigger bear, the wolf got frightened, and the wolf thought maybe the bear cannot eat both of us. So seeing the bear, the wolf ran away. Then the dog thought, no, the bear is the stronger than wolf. So he took bear as his master. While they used to spend the time together, eat together, and they used to walk in the forest. One day while they were walking, the bear saw a lion and he was afraid. He also left the dog and he ran away. So dog again thought the lion is the stronger one. They used to live together, have their food together, and the days were passing. One day they were walking in the forest, and the lion got, lion get easily the smell of a man, okay, or any animals coming around. So as soon as getting the smell of a man, the lion said to the dog, let's run away, otherwise we will be in trouble or we will be killed. So again the dog thought, oh, the lion is not stronger. The lion is not stronger. So what he did? When the lion ran away, the dog took a man as his servant, that who will feed him, take care of him, and from that day onwards, many of the people keep dog as their pet. They take care of them, they give them food, and they live a loyal life with them. That is what about our today's chapter, that how the dog found himself a new master. I hope now it is second unit, so you all will have a textbook. So please open the textbook on unit 2. Okay? Before we read, it is given here, wherever I read from the book, your finger should be on the point where I am reading. So the words which you do not know to read and pronounce, you can easily learn it. So all of you must have the attention in the book. You may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. You may also know something about how over the countries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. So, how the dog found himself a master. There is an exclamation mark at the end of the heading. Exclamation mark at the end of the heading. So, let's see. Dogs were once their own masters. Dogs were once upon a time, they were their own masters. They did not have any masters for them. Okay? And live the way wolves stood. The way wolves were living, the dogs also were living their own life. In freedom, until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with this way of life. So, it long time went over until one dog was born and he thought about it. This is the way of life that we should have a master. The meaning of freedom. Freedom means liberty. Freedom means liberty. Pleased. Freedom means liberty. Ill-pleased. Ill-pleased meaning is unhappy. Unhappy. Unless a dog was born who was unhappy. Why he was unhappy? That this is not the way to live a life. We should have a master in our life. Till that time, dogs were living their own life like wolves are living in the forest. He was sick and tired of wandering about himself. He was sick. He didn't like to walk here and there. He didn't like to wander here and there. He himself looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. He was looking for a food here and there, wandering here and there, and he used to become sick, and also he was frightened of the other animals, other stronger animals. The meaning of frightened. Frightened means fearful. He was frightened seeing the other huge animals. So he was not like this way of life. So he was ill-pleased. Ill-pleased means he was unhappy the way the life the other dogs were living. So he had a thought in his mind that we should have a master in our life. Okay? He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. So one day a thought came into his mind and he decided. What he decided? He decided that he should become a servant of a person who is the stronger than anybody else on this earth. And he set out to find such a master. So one day he started walking in search of a good master for him, and he will become the servant of him who will take care of him, because he was tired of wandering here and there, and he was frightened too of other huge and dangerous animals. He walked and walked. He walked long. He walked day and night. He walked. He met a kinsman of his. Kinsman of his. The meaning of kinsman. Kinsman. Kinsman means a relative. Kinsman means old-fashioned word for a relative. Okay? A relative just look like him. Kinsman. A relative who just look like. A big wolf who was as stronger as was fierce. Fierce. Fierce means frightened. Fierce means frightened. Fierce means frightened or violent, we say. Violent. Violent. Okay. So he walked and met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as stronger as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. So one day he was walking and he saw a kinsman, just like him, a wolf. Sometimes we can understand, we are also sometimes confused whether it is a dog or wolf if we are going in the forest. So he saw, and the wolf asked that, where are you going, dog? I am looking for someone who take up service with. Take up service with, who will take care of me. I want to become the servant of him. Would you like to be my master, wolf? So the dog asked, would you like to be my master? क्या आप मेरे master बनोगे? I don't see why not. So the wolf was ready. Wolf was ready. Why the wolf was ready? Because if he becomes the master, the food, in search of food, who has to go? The dog has to go in search of food. He has to find out the food. So wolf was ready to be the master of dog. So he can take rest. He can lie down and just order the dog to do all type of work, especially finding the foods. The wolf said, and these agreed. These agreed. Okay, agreed upon. The two of them went on together. So the wolf agreed. Agreed हो गया और they started to walk together. They walked and they walked. Again they were walking in the forest, walking and walking. And all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, taking a smell of something. When they get a smell of something, they become aware of it and they try to protect themselves. So while one day walking, the wolf got a smell of something. Wolf lifted his nose, sniffed. The meaning of sniffed. The meaning of sniffed is smelled. Meaning of sniffed is smell. Darted quickly. Darted quickly. The meaning of darted quickly is ran away fast. Ran away fast. Okay. So he ran away very fast from there. Off the path and into the bushes and crept. Into the bushes and crept. Okay. The meaning of crept. The meaning of crept. Moved. Stealthily. Or you can say crawled. You can say crawled. In the bush, he crawled and went from there. The dog was much surprised. Seeing this is the way the wolf ran away, the dog was very much surprised of this. Now what to do? He asked, what has frightened you? So the dog asked wolf, why you are frightened and who is frightening you? You are stronger than anybody else on this bird. But as soon as getting the smell, wolf ran away from the dog's company. Can't you see? There is a bear out there. So wolf said, can't you see? आप देख नहीं सकते हो? The wolf is standing there. And he might eat up both of us, you and me. He will eat both of us, you and me. So So let's run away from here. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf. So as soon as seeing the bear, the wolf has run away. And the dog, dog thought? A thought came to a dog mind, oh, the bear is stronger than the wolf. A bear is stronger than wolf. So again the thought came, and he wanted to be a servant, and he wanted bear to be a master of him. The dog decided to take up service with him. So as soon as the wolf ran away, the dog decided to take up the service with bear. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. So as soon as the wolf ran away, in the next moment, the dog went and asked bear to be his master. The bear agreed to do this readily. Readily, the bear became the master of dog and said, let's go and find the herd of cows. Herd of cows, a collective noun. Herd of cow is a collective noun. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. So, bear said, let's find the herd of cows. We will kill them, one of them, and we will have our today's food. So, today we will be learning through this much only. Tomorrow we will continue our next session with the 6th paragraph. But today what you have to do is, you have to read the paragraph until the 5 paragraph and complete these words in your notebook. Start your unit on the new page. Write the date and heading of the unit and write new words and write down the meanings of the words in your notebook. Tomorrow we will continue our story. Before that, please read the lesson till what I have taught you and understand it. Have a good day.